going to combine all the transformations we've learned in the previous videos. And they're telling us to graph f of x equals x and g of x equals negative 2x plus 3. All right, since this x right here, x is f of x, I can replace this x with f of x. And now it looks like the things we studied earlier. I have g of x equaling negative 2 f of x plus 3. Notice that the negative 2, which is the a, is not in the parentheses, so there is no horizontal transformation, but there is a vertical one. There is a vertical one. So the first thing I'm going to do is write down an h of x in the blue color, and I know that since the a is outside the f of x, it's going to be a stretch. It's going to be a vertical stretch with a factor of 2. So I'm going to go ahead and graph that. 2x, the origin is at 0, 0, and then the slope is 2. So rise 2, run 1 right, rise 2, run 1 right, and you've got your h of x. I guess I need to back up and say, well, let's graph the f of x. Well, if I've got the f of x equaling x, the origin, there's no b, so I start at 0, and I rise 1, run 1 right, rise 1, run 1 right, rise 1, run 1 right. So my f of x is in the black. My h of x, where I was dealing with the 2, is in the blue. Now the next thing I want to do is think, well, there is a negative in front of that, and that's going to be a reflection when it changes the sign. So we're going to reflect the h, this blue one, in the x-axis. So these ordered pairs are going to change, and that the x's will stay the same and the y's will change signs. So still the origin is at 0, 0, but the slope is negative 2. So it is rise 2, run 1 to the left, rise 2, run 1 to the left, or fall 2, run 1 to the right. Boy, those tongue twister there. Now, we've done everything but the plus 3. So the plus 3 is when we're going to take this green one here, the r of x, and we're just going to shift it up 3. Since that's the k in the previous videos, we're going to go up 3. So this green one right here, where it was here, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and put my first point, and then have that same slope of rise 2, run 1 to the left, or fall 2, run 1 to the right. And there you have several transformations in one problem.